Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you set up a My Eyes Only gallery on Snapchat for your private memories. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat. You scroll up and then you click on My Eyes Only. Now you have to click on Setup, and as you can see, the My Eyes Only gallery is good for your private pictures, because if you are showing pictures in your memories gallery, then your friends can see pictures about you or about something that you don't want to share with others. So let's click on Quick Setup. Here you have to add the passcode, for example 000 and 0. Now confirm it 0000. The passcode is the only way to access My Eyes Only. I have to click on the I understand, blah blah blah, and continue. Setup complete. And now you have to click on finish. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!